Another sleepless night. When you play against a great team from Lithuania, a team that is so well coached, and you play against 12,000 fans as well, it's a tall order. It's going to be very hard, but we've played pretty well so far. We played well against Spain. We beat Turkey. So we have an outside chance, no more, but we do have an outside chance.
Your team is also well coached.
Pardon me?
Your team is also looks like well coached at this tournament.
Well, we really didn't have enough time. We only had 2 weeks with Dirk and Chris Kaman. But yeah, I do think that we're playing with decent discipline, that we're playing good defense, and I appreciate the compliment.
You know, in Lithuanian team, everybody is getting ready to guard Dirk Nowitzki. Is there a player that you're getting ready to guard in Lithuanian team? Like one player?
No, like you said, it's a team sport, and just shutting down one guy isn't enough. Lithuania has so many weapons, so many offensive options. I think it is important that we control the pace of the game, and we must control their three-point shooting. In order to do that, you have to defend the pick and roll well. If we do these three things and we don't get affected by the crowd too much, I think we'll be okay.
Do you remember the game in 2007 in Mallorca when Dirk went nuts and you almost came back, and that wasn't enough? Do you think you have you're able to actually win this time, this year? Are you better than in 2007?
Well, of course I think that we have a chance. Otherwise, I would be a bad coach, and we wouldn't even play the basketball game. You always believe in your chances to win. And as much as we understand that it's not going to be easy, we totally believe in our chance to win tomorrow night.